Miss Boy PH, and you guys all know. Today I want to walk up to these fresh boys and give them some little interview for some 2 minutes, okay? Yo, fresh boys. Fresh boys. Yo, I'm Boy by name, bro. Big boss name. I want to talk.
My name is Michael.
Yeah. Wiz Nation. Hey, Wiz Nation. Yeah, the video I want to run people's more interview. My boys say make I enter inside from fine place. They fine boys. Hey, today black people from US they come.
No, bro, na Canada me I from. This one day this country.
They tell you fresh. But this way people they buy. This people they buy like this you pay.
Nah, my papa get here now.
Your father get this place. Camera man, they see him in the video.
My papa get here. I be senior man like this.
They tell you.
If you want collect something, collect. But you go pay for today.
Okay, if I collect today, I go pay for today. If I come next time.
If you come, you go still see me here.
Okay.
Now that I go pay for you.
You say what be your name again? So if I come.
Nation.
So if I don't see what of your brother?
My name is Michael.
If you see him, you go see us today. Sure, go there here. Now here we go stand, sir.
And they tell you tomorrow by like 7-8 o'clock in the evening I go come with my friends. Then
no shaking.
I beg wait. If I come, the security people they go allow me enter.
Ask them Wiz Nation. You say that one way in Papa get this place.
If you know remember my name, if you remember my name, Michael.
Michael or Wiz Nation. Okay.
Come on, show you around now.
Camera, I want show us around. Come.
This one, the important from Canada direct.
Hey.
This one, they sell am $14.
Hey.
Yeah.
$14. I don't see 14. We get money. Money na water.
Money na water. Nothing do you.
Everybody know me now.
Yeah, Wiz Nation one. Only one Wiz Nation. So tomorrow we go come back. Bro, take care. I just want pass inside small.
But later, if you send me the video, make myself I post. Make people they.
No problem,
if you
bro.
post, I tag me.
No problem. I go tag you.
You see, like this like day. Ask my guy. Understand? Me and Davido, me and Shatawale, me and the TikTok king, we dey see face to face. They know me.
Hey, today I get lucky. You see the people who are coming today.
I go change your life.
Okay.
I go change your life.
Something
tomorrow.
Okay, no problem.
See me here tomorrow. Just meet.
Okay, sir.